Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be doing a DIY Maximum Moisture Deep Conditioner. Yes, another mouthful. Before we even get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And then once you're done doing that, go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to smash that like button and let's begin. Hey guys, so this DIY is perfect for if your hair is extremely dry and brittle. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for today. When applying the DIY mask, you want to go ahead and start from the roots and work your way to the ends, and also detangle your hair as much as possible. That way the product is actually in the hair and throughout the strands. You'll start to see how my curls are starting to pop up because of the maximum hydration and moisture it's receiving from the products. So I didn't realize how messy this was actually going to get, so be sure to put on a towel around your neck or just wear a shirt that you don't care about getting dirty.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars.
To ensure that the ends of your hair receive as much heat as possible when going under the dryer, you want to go ahead and pin them up to the top of your head, so that way once you're under the dryer, your ends are receiving the heat as well, as opposed to it being at the bottom and receiving the least amount of heat. I stayed under the dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes.
I know. This for you, Doc. I know.
Now, let me slide it.
Yes, we know Kyla.
And here are my end results. My hair was extremely soft. My curls was popping, my kinks were popping, and I really enjoy doing this type of method in my hair at least twice a month or once a month, depending on how dry and brittle my hair is feeling. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace. Gotta get up again, y'all boys. Gotta get up again.
The Haitian song could be sad, but it's still gonna put you in a good mood. Like, what?